Hello, townsfolk. So today we're going to check how we can set Decor avatar, which we get from our Discord checkpoint, which is eventually a summary of your Discord usage. Call it a yearly wrap, and let's dive deep into that. So you'll see a checkpoint icon, and if you click this, you can dive deep into your yearly summary. And as you see here, dives So let's dive deep into how to equip that. So you just need to go into your user setting. And then if you click this icon of edit profile, and then you'll see avatar decor. And if you click here, you'll see multiple options in here. Some of them are like paid, but that's what we get from the yearly checkpoint. And you can see here a lot of different version how they're gonna look on different screens and different sizes and with different status. And once I hit apply and then save changes, and boom, it's already applied. You can see here, it's already there. And if you see here, yeah, it's playing some sort of animation and it looks really cool. So that's it for today. Hopefully you loved it.